Welcome to the ultimate evolution of action cinematography. For years, we've watched the boundary between professional cinema and portable action cameras grow thinner. But today, that line has officially vanished. The DJI Osmo Action 7 isn't just a seasonal update. It is a total reconstruction of what we thought was possible in a device that fits in the palm of your hand. If you've been waiting for the moment to upgrade, or if you've been skeptical about whether action cameras could ever truly replace your mirrorless setup for high-end vlogging and extreme sports, the next 30 minutes will change your perspective forever. We are diving deep into the leaks, the confirmed specifications, and the revolutionary new sensor technology that makes the Action 7 the undisputed king of the 2026 tech landscape. The heart of this beast is a rumored 1.1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, a feat of engineering that puts it ahead of every competitor currently on the market. Imagine capturing the raw, chaotic energy of a downhill mountain bike race, or the serene, fleeting colors of a deep-sea dive with the dynamic range usually reserved for cameras 5 times its size. This sensor isn't just about size. It's about the way it processes light in the most challenging conditions. We're talking about a proprietary nocturnal mode that utilizes AI-driven noise reduction at the hardware level, allowing you to film in near-total darkness while maintaining the crispness and color accuracy of a high-noon shoot. This is the breakthrough creators have been begging for, the end of grainy, unusable low-light footage that has plagued action cameras since their inception. But the sensor is only half the story. The processing power inside the Action 7 is powered by the new G3 turbo chip, designed specifically to handle the massive data rates of 8K video at 60 frames per second. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. The 8K resolution on the Action 7 is sampled from a wider 10K readout, ensuring that every pixel is packed with detail and free from the digital artifacts that usually ruin high-resolution mobile footage. For the slow-motion enthusiasts, the rumors suggest a mind-blowing 4K at 240 frames per second. Think about that for a second. You can now capture professional-grade super slow motion without sacrificing the resolution needed for a cinematic 4K timeline. This opens up a world of creative possibilities, from capturing the intricate splashes of water to the lightning-fast movements of professional athletes, all with a clarity that feels hyper-realistic. One of the most talked about leaks surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 7 is the integration of FluidLink stabilization. While Rocksteady was already the industry standard, FluidLink takes it to a psychological level. By utilizing a 6-axis internal gyro paired with a new predictive AI algorithm, the camera actually anticipates movement before it happens. It doesn't just smooth out the bumps. It creates a floating, gimbal-like effect that feels organic and cinematic rather than robotic. Whether you're running through a crowded city street or mounting the camera to a vibrating engine block, the footage remains eerily stable, as if the camera is gliding on an invisible rail. This tech is a game-changer for solo creators who can't carry heavy stabilizers but refuse to compromise on production value. The DJI Osmo Action 7 represents a crossroads in consumer technology. It is the moment where good enough is replaced by uncompromising excellence. As we look at the leaked roadmap for the rest of 2026, it's clear that DJI isn't just playing the game. They are rewriting the rules. This camera is built for the dreamer, the adventurer, and the storyteller who refuses to be limited by their gear. The future of action cinematography is here, and it's smaller, faster, and more powerful than we ever imagined.